How to use ChatGPT to optimize website code. As an AI language model, ChatGPT can provide some general suggestions to optimize website code, but it's important to note that the specifics of website optimization can vary depending on the platform, coding language, and other factors. With that said, here are some general tips that may be helpful. 1. Minimize HTTP requests. The more HTTP requests your website needs to make, the slower it will load. You can optimize your website by reducing the number of HTTP requests it needs to make. Some ways to do this include combining multiple files into one, using CSS sprites for images, and reducing the number of plugins or external scripts used. 2. Optimize images. Large images can slow down website loading times. To optimize images, you can reduce their file size without compromising their quality. You can use online image compression tools or image editing software to do this. 3. Use browser caching. Browser caching can improve website loading times by storing static files on a user's browser so that they don't need to be reloaded every time the user visits the website. You can use tools like mod_expires or caching plugins to enable browser caching on your website. 4. Reduce server response time. Slow server response times can lead to slow website loading times. You can optimize your server by reducing the number of database queries it needs to make, using a content delivery network, CDN, and choosing a reliable hosting provider. 5. Minimize CSS and JavaScript. Minimizing your CSS and JavaScript files can reduce the amount of data that needs to be loaded, leading to faster loading times. You can use tools like CSSMin or Uglava.js to compress your CSS and JavaScript files. 6. Optimize website code. Website code can be optimized by using best practices such as avoiding inline CSS and JavaScript, using efficient coding techniques, and reducing the number of external resources. Website code requires a combination of technical expertise and attention to detail. By following these general tips, you can start to improve the performance of your website and provide a better user experience. Here are some reputable sources that provide information on optimizing website code. Google Developers. Google Developers is a comprehensive resource for web developers and designers. They offer a range of tutorials, guides, and best practices for optimizing website code, including performance optimization, mobile optimization, and accessibility optimization. W3C, the World Wide Web Consortium, W3C, is an international community that develops web standards and guidelines. They offer a range of resources for optimizing website code, including recommendations for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Smashing Magazine. Smashing Magazine is a popular web design and development resource that offers a range of articles and tutorials on website optimization. They cover topics like website speed, mobile optimization, and SEO optimization. Moz is a reputable source for SEO advice and best practices. They offer a range of resources for optimizing website code for search engines, including tips for improving website speed, mobile optimization, and crawlability. Geekmetrics. Geekmetrics is a website performance testing tool that analyzes your website's code and provides recommendations for optimization. Their reports provide detailed information on issues like page speed, image optimization, and server response time. By using these reputable sources, you can learn more about optimizing website code and implement best practices to improve the performance and user experience of your website.